Hi viewers, today we are going to see how to love yourself. Can you honestly say that you love yourself? Are you having a hard time being happy with yourself? You may too busy focusing on others around you and not focusing on loving yourself. Some people don't want to be alone and fear to do things on their own. This will hinder your journey to self love. So, today we are going to take a look at some ways to that you can fall in love with yourself. Being in love with yourself provides you with self confidence, self worth, and it will generally help you feel more positive. So, we are going to talk about how to love yourself. You can try today to discover how to love yourself and your own confidence. Number one, have fun by yourself. It's always good to have a few days set by for yourself. That is just for yourself. That is just for you to do something fun. In doing this, you can learn to enjoy your own company and most likely feel more confident doing it on your own. Number two, travels once a year. This may be completely out of your comfort zone, but that is a good thing. If you can travel on your own, this will be a great self love experience. Number three, forgive yourself for your mistakes. Reflecting on your mistakes can help you to forgive and forget. If you can look back at some poor choices you may have made and yourself, you can start to move on and forget about the past. Loving yourself despite any mistakes you made in the past is great for your self worth. Number four, surprise yourself. Try things out of your control and say yes to things you would not normally say yes to. To know yourself, you may find out that you enjoy things you never realized or tried before. Number 5, start a journal. If you can write down your thoughts and feelings, you can go back and at a later date and see how you copied with certain situations. Number 6, give yourself a break. Number 7, make a list of your accomplishment. Creating a list of what you have achieved is a great way to fall in love with yourself. This makes you feel good about yourself and find happiness from what you have accomplished. Number 8, make a vision board. Visualizing your goals is a good way to feel motivated and excited about your future. You can focus on your dream and start love yourself. Number 9, take care of yourself. This one probably seems obvious, but taking care of yourself plays a big part in learning how to love yourself, and a lot of people do not do it. If you take care of yourself, you will be the best version of yourself. So, do this and comment me on the comment box. So, I hope you all understand this video. So, meet you in my next video. Bye.